Oh goodness, I always get that mixed up.
Gather round, my little pumpkin seeds. I have a twinkling tale to share with you tonight about my dear friend, Cinderella, and how even the smallest act of kindness can lift you up.
Now, where are my manners? Allow me to introduce myself. I am the magical being that you know from many of your favorite childhood stories. You, citizens of Pumpkin Fest, might know me as the Fairy Godmother, Queen of all fairies, life-bringer to all the fairy tale characters who now walk around Pumpkin Festival, and ruler of all things magical. When a magical poof happens, something is supposed to change. That's how magic works. Let's try this again, and when I say the word magical, you erupt in thunderous applause. Okay, let's see. Where was I? You citizens of Pumpkin Festival might know me as the fairy godmother, blah blah blah, fairies, yada yada, pumpkin patcher. Oh yes, that's right. Ruler of all things magical. In order to tell this story, I am going to need a little more light and a little mood music fit for a fairy tale. Ask and I shall receive. Now, the story begins how all good stories start. Once upon a time. In fact, can you help me say those special words? Once upon a time, in a faraway place, in a time that existed many years ago, a young girl stumbled up to my tree in tears. The poor little pumpkin was all alone in a world that treated her harshly. Cinderella's stepmother and stepsisters were always putting her down, never lifting her up with kindness. But I'm getting ahead of myself. There I go, putting the horse before the cart again. Was it the cart before the horse?
Oh, butternut. Sometimes I think I must have seeds for brains.
To understand better, we need to travel back to the day when I first met Cinderella. Have courage and always.
This is your new stepmother and her two daughters.
Shine my shoes, Cinderella.
Do my hair, Cinderella.
In my clothes, Cinderella.
Sweep the ashes, Cinderella.
You remain here until all the ashes are swept off the ground. City dance, you can't go to the festival. We'll dance with the prince for you.
Oh, I tried to have courage and be kind, but it's just no use. It's hopeless. I can't do this alone.
Hopeless? Nonsense! You are not alone, dear Cinderella.
Wait, who is that?
Why, it's me, of course. Your own personal fairy godmother.
My fairy godmother?
Yes, dear. And boy, are you in luck. I am a magical helping hand to those in need of love, hope, and in your case, a little bit of magic.
Oh my, how wonderful. I've never heard of a fairy godmother before. Could you help me go to the festival?
Of course, my child. I don't see why anyone as kind and courageous as you shouldn't get to enjoy an evening of fun. And with my magic, I can get you there. First, take out your wand and... Oh dear, you haven't a wand. Well, that just won't do. What about all of you? Perhaps all of the citizens of Pumpkin Festival have something with you, some sort of light that you can wave in the air to create magic with me. If you do, take them out. Are you ready to help Cinderella go to the festival?
But, Fairy Godmother, what about my dress? I can't go to the festival like this.
Oh, you're right, little pumpkin. Hold on tight. I am going to need everyone's help. Raise your wands high, or anything that shines, and repeat after me. Pumpkin, presto, whoo!
Beautiful! Look at that! Oh, Fairy Godmother, my gown!
You haven't seen anything yet.
With all this magic, you will get there right on time. Because when something is truly meant to be, you will fly. Now, let's see if my friends can help lift you up. Friends, do you remember the magic words? Pumpkin, presto, whoo!
Oh, goodness! Oh, my!
Now, Cinderella, when the clock strikes midnight, the magic fades, and you will return to who you were before. Make every second count.
Midnight? Why, that is plenty of time. Thank you. Thank you, Fairy Godmother. No matter what happens, I don't think I will ever return to who I was before.
কিরম যাচ্ছে দেখো দেখো উড়ে উড়ে কিরম যাচ্ছে দেখো
Oh dear.
Oh,
Cinderella's heart was soaring, and she felt as if she was flying. She danced all night with the prince, and just as she promised, Cinderella fled to whisper at the stroke of midnight.
Wait, miss. Wait, you forgot your slipper.
Try every shoe on every feet. I now present our new queen, Cinderella. Try every shoe on every feet. Have courage and be calm.
উঠে বস উঠে বস উঠে বস উঠে বস
Oh, what a wondrous night it was for Cinderella as she found her one true happily ever after. And little did she know that her small act of courage would set in motion a ripple of events that would alter her life and mine forever. And as for me, I learned that the true magic is a gift that is often found in the moments that we spend lifting each other up. Catch you later.